Hello everyone, in this video we will be covering how to find the median of the group data. So what is median? Median is nothing but the middlemost value when you have arranged the data in increasing or decreasing order. We have covered how to find the median of ungrouped data in the first video of the statistics chapter. There we have discussed how to find the median if the data given to you is even number, and also we have discussed how to find the median if the data given to you is in odd number. You can please go and watch those videos as well. So let us start the problem now. This is the very first question of exercise 14.3 in the NCERT textbook in the chapter statistics. So the question says the following distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality, and you need to find the median. So whenever they will ask to find the median, there the term cumulative frequency will appear. So what is cumulative frequency? It is the word cumulative indicates increasing by addition. So how to find the cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency, the very first number, the very first term will be the same term as the frequency. So the first term will be 4. Then what is the next term? To find the next term, you need to add diagonally the number. Okay, so here it is nothing but 5 plus 4. How much it will be? It will be 9. Then in the same way you need to add 13 plus 9. How much it will be? It is 22. Then you need to add 20 plus 22. What is the how much you will be get? You will be getting 42. Then you will be adding 14 plus 42. How much it will be? It will be 56. Then 56 plus 8, how much it will be? 64. Then 64 plus 4, it is nothing but 68. So whenever you are adding the cumulative frequency and whenever you will come to the last term, you can see the last term, and when you will add the Fi, summation of Fi, it is 68 itself. So here in the question also they have given, so you can just write it from there, or you can add also. You can just check by adding this. So it is 68. So the last term of the cumulative frequency and the summation of Fi should be always same. If you are not getting same, then you have went somewhere wrong, either in addition of some Fi, or else you have done any mistake in finding the cumulative frequency of any of these terms. So now let us come to the formula. What is the formula to find the median? To find the median, we have this formula. L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F whole multiplied by H. Okay. So what is L and all? Before that, let us find what is the median class. Median class, how do you find the median class is? You need to find n by 2. What is n? N stands for summation of Fi. So what is that you got? You have got 68 here. So 68 by 2, which is equals to 34. Now, after getting n by 2, you need to check the number just greater than 34 in the cumulative frequency column. So this is the cumulative frequency column. The number just greater than 34 in the cumulative frequency column is 42, right? If you consider 22, it is less than 34. So no, don't consider 22. You need to consider a number just greater than 34. So it can be 42. You may get confused in finding the median class. So let me give you few more example. If n by 2 you have got 11. So the number just greater than 11 in the frequency is cumulative frequency column is 22. Right? In the same way, if the number after dividing n by 2, you are getting it as 8. So the number greater than 8 in the cumulative frequency column is 9. So this will be your median class. So what is the median class for this? Greater than 34 is 42. Just greater than 34 is 42. So this is your median class. Okay. this is your median class, right? So let me write median class is, therefore median class is 125 to 145. Then what will be L? L is the lower limit of the median class, so it is nothing but 125. N by 2, you know it, just now you have calculated. Then you have CF. What is CF? CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding, okay, it is preceding the median class, okay. So let me just check here. This is the median class, and it here CF is the cumulative frequency of the class which is preceding the median class. So this is the median class for you. Preceding means before. So this is your cumulative frequency. How much is it? It is 22, right? Now we have F. What is F? F is the frequency of the median class. Let me write here once. Frequency of the median class. How much it is for this particular question? It is 42. Okay, the frequency of the median class they have said. So you need not consider cumulative frequency, you need to come to the frequency. So it is how much? 20. Then you have H. What is H? H is the class size. How do we find H? By subtracting higher limit to the upper limit to the lower limit. So you can take any of these class interval and you can just subtract upper limit to the lower limit. So 85 minus 65, if I have taken the first class interval, so it is 20. Now let me substitute everything in the formula. What is L for you? It is 125 plus N by 2. N by 2, how much did you get? It is 34 minus CF. CF for this problem is 22 divided by, then you have F. How much did you get? It is 20 into H. H is also 20. So this H is only for this particular term. You need not take this H to this also, this term also. It is only for this particular term. So this 20 and this 20 is getting cancelled. How much you are going to get? You are going to get here 120 plus 34 minus 22. How much it is? It is 12. So you need to add these two terms and you are going to get here 137. So this is how you will find the median if the data given to you is group data. First thing, you need to find the cumulative frequency, then from there you will be finding the median class, and then you will be finding the remaining all terms. So that's it for today's class. In the next class we will be solving further few questions based on median. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.